I want this guy's money.
You want what?
This guy's money. He's got this really nice, I think it's a Baron in there or something.
Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Rebecca Reiner. I am a student pilot. I'm currently trying to work on my private pilot's license, and I like to record my lessons so that I can go back, watch, and like see what I need to improve on and that kind of stuff. And I thought, why not just upload these videos to YouTube as well? So, yes. In this lesson, what we do is we practice a couple of landings. Before this, we went out to our practice area, which is above Rockford, and we just practiced a couple of S-turns and turning around a point, a few flight maneuvers that you work on when you're first starting out. And then we came back and we practiced a couple of landings, which I did better in this lesson than I did in the previous one, which is the other video that I uploaded. So yeah, go ahead and watch the video.
I just want like a nice calm day that we can really work on landings without it being
Super crazy.
super crazy, yeah. I mean, challenging's good, but there's a point. Alright, so I would start, pull some power to about 21 to your downwind setting, and I'd start a descending right turn so that you get yourself on a 45. And your call would be Lake in the Hills traffic, Warrior 020 is on a 2.5 mile 45, runway 8, Lake in the Hills.
Alright, I need to practice that. Lake in the Hills traffic, Warrior 020 on a 2.5.
Just say 2.5.
2.5, 45 degrees to the downwind.
2.5 mile 45, runway 8, Lake in the Hills.
Okay. Lake in the Hills traffic, Warrior 020, 2.5 miles out on a 45 to runway 8, Lake in the Hills.
That was good. You sound like a nerd when you say 2.5, but you get your point across.
Southwest of the airport, coming in for a left downwind for 1 on the grass, Burlington.
That was Burlington.
Yeah.
Oh wait, Ghost?
Yeah, it's gotta be. This thing's picking up a lot of crap. Alright, so we're coming down to 19. Maybe start your turn for downwind.
Airport traffic 4452, half mile west will be landing south to north vertiport.
And then your call is going to be that you're downwind runway 8.
Yeah.
Lake in the Hills traffic, Warrior 020 is downwind, runway 8, Lake in the Hills.
Alright, so there's your 1900 right when you're abeam. That's cool. And we're already in our descent, so you can pull that power back. Add that first notch of flaps. That's perfect. See how that kind of works? It was nice and fluid.
But not this wind.
Yeah, the wind sucks.
Start base.
Sure.
Usually I look for that lake right there.
Yeah. Alright, so we can add that second notch of flaps, make your call. Now approach course is clear.
Lake in the Hills traffic, Warrior 020 on base, runway 8, Lake in the Hills. Okay, second notch of flaps.
You're already at your second notch.
Oh, right.
Wall light. Alright. So we're a little high, so maybe add some, pull some power.
Burlington traffic, experimental 32 hotels entering a left downwind for 1 on the grass, Burlington.
So you got white over white, so that says you're high in the glide slope.
Full power.
And then I make your final call.
Lake in the Hills traffic, Warrior 020 is on final, Lake in the Hills. Runway 8, Lake in the Hills.
Good catch. Back in the throttle, because you're going to need to add some here. You're getting back, you're starting to get on glide slopes. All right, so you got white over red. So yeah, like 1700, right where you're at. It's good. That was a nice. Good.
Fast flaps?
Let's give it a second, because you're nice and stabilized right now, right? If you change the configuration, then you're going to have to restabilize, but this feels good. And we got that, it's kind of gusty, so we don't necessarily need full flaps. All right, so that turned red, so add power. Level your nose, add a little bit of power so that it goes back to white. All right, so it's white now, so take that power back out. Could slowly start taking power out now. Could use that right rudder. Start pulling back.
Out and back.
Start pulling back.
Back.
A little bit. This thing's floating. Come on, push the nose forward. That thing really wanted to float. Jeez.
Yeah, it did.
Then you can make a call that you're clear.
It has to be past the line.
You're right.
Always right. Lake in the Hills traffic, Warrior 020 is clear of runway 8, Lake in the Hills.
All right, let's clean up before we taxi.
So, floor to door. Lights.
Excellent. How many miles of visibility do you need for VFR?
Lake and Hills traffic, Archer 5221, November, departing runway 8 to the west, Lake
3
and Hills.
statute miles.
3 statute miles, too. You even got the statute in there, that's right.
3 SM.
What if our METAR said that we had 4 statute miles visibility, few clouds, 080, broken 140, or
And
014 rather. How about that?
014, so then we have a ceiling at 1400.
Good. So are we still VFR?
No.
Are you sure?
Oh. I think it's like, isn't it like 1000?
Well, yeah, so if you have a 1400 foot ceiling, then that means that we're VFR.
Okay.
It's just really, it's marginal VFR at that point. It's not like, it's not a good day to fly.
Yeah.
You could do pattern work or whatever, but that's about it.
VFR automated weather advisory, wind 070 at 12, gust 18, visibility missing, temperature 18 Celsius,
Got time for one more.
No down.
No mas.
Let's make it good.
Full ridge, fuel pumps on, landing light
All right.
off. Okay. Lake in the Hills traffic, Warrior 020, taking off from runway 8, staying in pattern, Lake in the Hills.
I am proud of you. You're doing very well.
It's a good day. It's so nice out. On center line. Full power. Right rudder.
I'm not here, okay?
Instruments are in the green. Your speed is live, but you are here. And starting to pull back.
Lake and Hills traffic, Piper 4627 Foxtrot, about 10 miles to the south, Rivy, overflying the field and entering the left downwind for runway 8, Lake and Hills.
Best rate of climb, which is 87.
It's about right where you're at, so this looks good.
And climbing to 1900. Why is the wind pushing me out here? Okay, turn crosswind.
Yep.
Airport.
Sorry, that's right, you're not
automated
here.
weather advisory, wind 080 at 11, gust 16, visibility missing, temperature 18 Celsius, altimeter 3013, no down.
turning downwind, pulling back power too.
Why are you pulling back power so early?
Because we're at 1600.
1900's our pattern altitude, right?
Right. We turn at 1600, we pull back power at 1900.
I make your call because there was somebody else inbound, so.
Lake in the Hills traffic, Warrior 020 is downwind, runway 8, Lake in the Hills.
All right, so we're downwind on our
traffic Piper 27 Foxtrot,
throttle.
About 5 miles to the south. We're going to be overflying the field, 1,900 feet, and entering the left downwind for runway 8, Lake in the Hills.
Pulling back power.
Mineral traffic, Cherokee 73 Whiskey's downwind for 12.
Burlington traffic, Terminal 32 Hotel, about to enter final for 1 on the grass, Burlington.
Push your nose down.
Pushing the down. Match of flaps. Pitching for 890.
90. Your power's a little high too though, so that might affect your, there we go. Ooh.
Turning base. Lake in the Hills traffic, Warrior 020 is turning base for runway 8, Lake in the Hills. Is it the wind or is it
Lake in the Hills,
you could be pushing your nose down.
South, overflying at 1900 and entering the left downwind for runway 8, Lake in the Hills.
Alright, so look at your point. Keep your head there, just rotate the airplane around your head, right to where your eyes are looking. Beautiful, just like that. And you know that we're high, right? So you're adding power. I'm not exactly sure why at this point. Take a little bit out.
Did I make my final call?
Sure.
Lake in the Hills traffic, Warrior 020 is on final, but to runway 8, Lake in the Hills.
You still got some flaps to work with too. There you go. This approach looks good. Keep that 8 in the exact same spot on your windscreen.
Okay.
Let's try a third notch of flaps this time just to see how this landing feels. I'd add a little bit of power. That's probably good. Good.
Oops, floated
Lake in the
so
Hills
much.
traffic, 27 Foxtrot coming up over the top, 1900 entering left downwind for runway 8, Lake in the Hills.
Gotta get, feel how side loaded that was?
Yeah.
Where we like did this, gotta make sure you kick that hard, that rudder in hard so that we're facing exactly down the runway.
Okay.
But you pretty much did that all on your own. I mean, the only thing I did is help with the rudder a little bit at the end there. Trying to salvage it a little bit, but that was all you. That was really good, considering.
We're taking it back.
Follow the line all the way off too. Are you gonna have your F-18 like this?
No,
No.
definitely not.
All right.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Give this, give me a thumbs up if you did. Wow, that was dumb. Also, make sure that you comment down below. Right now, it's like crickets in the comment section, and it's really weird. Like, I don't know if I have like comments turned off or whatever, but if you comment, I promise I'll comment back because nobody else is. I mean, honestly, you can tell me that you hate me, and you'll probably be my favorite person just because you commented on this video. So yeah, stay coordinated, y'all.